Welcome to Business Sensor ERP. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up inventory category and inventory items. Once the software is loaded, navigate to the List module, then click on the Item Category tab. This opens the item category listing. To create a new category, click on the Add New button at the top panel. The item category setup form will pop up. Fill out this form to define your new inventory category. Please note that all fields in bold are required. Starting with the item category name, enter the name of the category. Parent item category. If this new category is a child of another category, select the parent category here. Item category code. Enter a unique code to identify the category. Category description. Briefly describe what the category covers. Now to the default accounting fields. Default income account. Choose an account where income from items under this category will be recorded. You can also click Add New below the drop-down to create a dedicated account. For default cost of goods, COG, account, follow the same step as above for the cost tracking side. For default inventory asset account, again, either select from existing accounts or click Add New to create one. In the Grant Permission section, select which user roles should have access to this category. After confirming the details, click Save, then exit and refresh the category listing interface. Your new category should now appear and be active. Still within the List module, click on the Inventory Setup icon. This loads the Item Setup page, displaying a list of existing items if available. To add a new item, click the Add New button on the top panel. The Item Editor interface pops up. Fill this form to create your inventory item. Again, fields in bold are required. Starting from the item name, enter the name of the item. Item category. Select the category the item belongs to. Sales description. Input a short description of the item. This will also appear in the purchase description field. Inventory type. Choose the type of inventory from the drop-down. In the next section, default unit of measure. For this tutorial, we will use bottle. For the average cost field, enter the average cost of the item. In the selling price field, input the selling price. Startup stocking department. Select the department responsible for stocking this item. For the income account field, you'll notice it's already filled in. That's because the beverage category we selected has a dedicated income account and cost of goods sold account already. If you select a category without dedicated accounts, both fields will be empty. You can either choose existing accounts or click Add New to create specific ones. The same logic applies to the COG account field. Next, you'll find a section for extra units of measure, where you can add other units like cartons, crates, etc. Below that is the inventory asset account. Select the appropriate account or click the Add New button to create one specific to the item. Then you have the warranty field. If this item comes with a warranty, Enter the duration here. Quantity on hand. Input how many units are currently in stock. Reorder point. This tells the system when to notify you that stock is running low. Restocking level. Enter a number for the system to notify you when the stock on the counter is running low. To add a picture of the item, simply right-click on the image area and select Load from the menu. Then, choose the image file from your computer to upload. If the item requires tracking by batch or has an expiration date, make sure to check the Manage Expiration box. After filling everything out, click Save, then Exit. Your newly added item should appear in the list. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials or to explore our full hotel ERP suite, visit www.businesssensor.com.